Hey, hello everyone. Good evening to all. I didn't say anything, I just muted. Right, you can see there is a fresher opening. I don't know what is the company location, it's in Hyderabad or somewhere around, but I got a call today from the following company. I think I shared you. Don't worry, you can attend with PHP skill set, okay? Na? So, right. So no need to worry. You can just send your profile to them. If shortlisted, they will call you. Okay. Actually, they are expecting uh, freshers, PHP freshers as well as experienced actually. Right. So they asked me, you can send fresher profile as well as experienced profiles. Don't worry. You can send your profiles to the following mail ID. Right. So don't worry about it. Right. Here full stack developer, he is asking PHP full stack in the sense nothing but you should know HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and they are mentioning Vue.js. Some people will ask us Angular and React. See, this in this company there is a fresher openings, there is a experienced openings. You don't worry about all the full stack technologies. What you know, PHP, HTML, JavaScript. Send your resume. If shortlisted, you will get a call. Okay, right. So this is actually for experienced people. He sent me. He also asked me any freshers also okay for us. Yeah, that's why I'm sharing with you. Okay, right. Just you can go with it. You don't need to mention my name. Just you can send the profiles to the following mail ID. I think I shared you in the chat window to everyone. So copy that mail ID and you can just send the profile to them. So no need to mention my name there. Okay, right. Just you can send the information. Okay, so great. Now, I think one more thing. Yesterday we discussed about all the user management functionality. In that, if you have any doubts, please let me know quickly so that I want to talk about a select statement only today. The select statement we can write in various ways and various interview questions people will ask us. So we need to work with select query. So for select query, let me do one thing. I want to copy 8 p.m. July. Okay, 9 a.m. DEC. This is okay. This is 7:30. Let me go to employee table. Okay, I have a lot of records are there. Let me export this table. Let me import into your 8 p.m. July. So because I want to explain you select query based on some conditions, some ranges, some restrictions and all, go to 8 p.m. July. Let me import the table here. So don't worry, I have some dummy data here with me. So the dummy data I'm just importing into your database 8 p.m. July. From there, I will show you how can we execute the select query. Already we have some tables, we can apply the select query there also. We don't need to go for employees table. But if you have some original data, it will looks good. That's the reason I'm just going with employee data. Okay, right? You can write this select query. You can execute the select statement using command prompt, or you can use the things in SQL query also. Here also we can use the same, right? First thing is here where class, where WHERE, where class, CLAUSE. What is meant by class? Anybody? CLAUSE. What is meant by class? Class is nothing but condition. This is nothing but condition. Where condition or where class, whatever it may be, we can call it anything. What is this where condition? So what is the purpose of this where statement, guys, here, right? So anybody tell me please, what is the purpose of where class and what we can do exactly where class? The where class is used to filter the records. Filter the records. This is the purpose of where class. So I want to find exactly the particular record from the database. I want to find the particular name. I want to find a person whose mobile number is this. How can we find some user at particular thing? Now you can see we have databases are there. Always where with the column name and condition. Now you can see always select star from table name. So we know that up to here what will be happen if you can write this, you will get all the records. Generally, if you can execute this query. No, I don't want to get all the records, but I want to get some records based on the condition where now you can see city equal to Hyderabad or something like I'm writing. What is the meaning of it? You know, I can get all the people who is in Hyderabad, I will get it. So maybe Chennai, Mumbai. So people may be there, but I don't want. I want to get all the records where something is a city. Now you can see one more thing I want, right? I have an employee table. Select sort from table. So we have employee table. Employees is a table. Employee is a table. Just now we have where SALARY salary equal to 25,000. Then what is going to be happen? I will get all the employees whose salary is 25,000. In interview they will ask a question directly like this. They won't ask you what is where condition, what is like operator. They will never ask you guys. Okay, right, remember carefully here. Select star from employee where salary equal to 25,000. This is we know, but what they will ask you in interview, I want to find all the employees who is taking 25,000 salary. Can you write the select query? They will ask you like this. They won't ask you select star from table where salary equal to 25,000. What will be happen if I execute this? They will never ask you. They will ask you the query in a different. They will ask you the question in different manner. I want to get all the employees from a table whose salary is 25,000. Whose salary is 25,000. So this is exactly. Now you can see the query. If you can execute here, now you can go to this PHP admin. I'm just executing this salary equal to 25,000 and click the go button. Now you can see I'm getting so many records are there. Almost all employees salaries are 25,000. So let me do one thing. Why 25,000 everybody? Some people are having, okay, let me make this as a some different salaries, guys. Don't make all the thing 5,000. So you can make some different salaries, and this is going to be 15,000. Okay, 15,000, because it will be easy for us. I mean, for more filtering data, this is 7,000, and we are having lot of records are there. This is only 3,000 salary. Okay, this is okay, fine. So 25,000 some salary. Let me make some salaries. This is going to be 75,000 salary. Let me make this salary as 35,000 salary. Let me make this as just 12,000 salary only. Yeah, so we have almost all records. Right, now you can execute the same query. Now you can see I'm going to execute the select query. Select sort from employee where salary equal to 25,000. Now you can see I'm getting only one employee now whose salary is 25,000. That's around, right? So this is how we can get the data, guys. Now you can see like this we can write. Now you can write one more thing also. You can use, now we are writing where salary equal to, na, we can write where salary less than or equal to, where salary greater than or equal to also we can write it, guys. Exactly. So what is this exactly? Less than or equal to, greater than or equal to? If salary is greater than or equal to 25,000, then what it is going to be? Exactly, now you can see greater than or equal to. So then what is the meaning of it? Whose salary is greater than 25,000 or more than 25,000? Now you can see, now the question will be like this. I want to get all the employees whose salary is more than 25,000, more than 25,000. The questions will be like this. So they will ask us the questions in interview. So we have to write like this. Now you can see, now I'm just going to take this is going to be greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to 25,000. Click the go button. Now you can see I am getting greater than or equal to. You can see the query greater than or equal to, you written greater than or equal to in the sense, what is the meaning of it? 25,000 and more. If we can take exactly greater than only, then what is going to be happen? You cannot get 25,000. You can get more than 25,000 only. I think there are two people are there, 25,000 and 35,000, 50,000 and 75,000. These are the people are there. So how we can get all the data? Yeah, this is all about the story, guys. How we can get the data and all. So if we can write less than or equal to, if we can write greater than or equal to, simply less than, simply less than also, we can write it, guys. Whatever you want, you can take it. Exact matching equal to. I want to get all the people whose salary is more than 25,000. I want to get all the people whose salary is below 25,000. Now you can write this as a less than or equal to. Now you can see I'm writing this as a less than or equal to. So just you can go to PHP here. You can just add this. Now you can just make this as a less than or equal to. Now you can see I'm editing inline here directly. We can edit this. Now you can check this. It is going to give you 25,000 salary below. How many employees are there? Almost all 80 employees are there. Almost all 8 employees are there. So these are all the things, guys, exactly we can know about it, right? So this is exactly. Now I want to get the employees whose salary is between 10,000 and 25,000. I want to get this thing like this. Now you have to use between operator, where is salary between, you can write the query will be like this, guys. So for this we are going to use a between operator, between, between operator. Now same query, you can see select star from table name or employee where SALARY salary between operator, salary between 10,000 and 25,000. You have to write the query like this. Now can you see, if you can execute this query, then what is going to be happen between the range, this is going to be the given range. So what is the range we are having? 10 and 25. So now you can execute the same query here. Now I'm going to execute the same query. You can see the query is going to be executed. Maybe you will get the employees list. Now you can see what I'm getting here exactly. 3 people are having the salary between 25,000 and 10,000. These are the 3 people. Between the range also we can get, or above the range, above the mentioned, below the mention, whatever it may be. So we can use this following thing, guys. Okay, now right, exactly. So now you can check this. All the employees are having different cities now. Now you can see they're all having same city. Some people are having, okay, you can edit the city also. Let me take some city for genuine data, Mumbai. So okay, this is going to be NOIDA, Noida, and this is going to be LUCK, Lucknow, and this is going to be PATNA. Yeah, some cities I'm going to add here. Okay, randomly we added. Okay, right. Okay, don't worry, these are the cities we are having, right? So where an employee, where exactly the employee may be in, where there is a operator called in operator, guys. Can you see? I want to write an operator. Now this is between operator. Now there is an operator called in operator. This is between operator. Now in operator, in OPERAT or in operator. Can you see? I want to write a query like this. Try to see the query. I'm writing select star from employee, employee, where city in Hyderabad. Now you can see what is going to be happen. If we can write this HYDRABAD, if you can write this, then what is going to be happen? You will get the employee and whose city is in Hyderabad. Exactly. Now you can see. Now I want to execute this query. You can go like this. These are all the select queries, guys. You have to learn about them. Now you can see I'm executing this query. You will get the Hyderabad. I'm not getting Hyderabad. Now what happened? Spell mistake is that this is not matched, I believe. What I can do, let me make the query HYDERABAD Hyderabad. Okay, so HYDERABAD, yeah, correct the spells. My god. Now you can execute the query. Now you can check this. If the data is matched, now you can see I'm getting the people. In is an operator. So in the city, I mean, simply says it is going to be in the city. What exactly this is going to be in the city? Who are all there? We are going to get the information, guys. Exactly. Okay, now. So like this, we can use where class. Like this, we can use where class. In the besides where class, we can use like operator also. These are the operators: between operator, in operator, and like operator. This time, like operator. What is the meaning of like operator? You know, I believe. So like operator will be little bit different, guys. I want to get all the people whose username starts with R. I want to get all the people whose name ends with A, something like this, right? So this is called like operator. Now you can see we will write the query like this. Select star from table name again. Select star from EMPLOY employee, where username or employee name. What is the column we are having in the table? Name, right? Where name like is an operator, where name like simply we have to take this single quote and double quote. You have to use here percentage yes. What is the meaning of percentage yes here? Percentage yes means whose name ends with S. Now you can see if you can write S percentile, what is the meaning of it? You know, whose name starts with s, right? So if you can see percentile after s percentile, you can see what is the meaning of s percentile means. We will get all the records. Let us write this. We will get all the records whose name starts with s. That is the meaning of it. Start with s. Okay, now right now, if you can see the same story, if you can have percentile before, now you can check this. What I need to do exactly? This is the starts before or any character. It's a name or anything. Now you can see I'm taking rom now. Now you can see rom. We will get all the records whose name starts, whose name ends with rom, ends with rom, ends with rom, ends with ram rom. Right, then you can write this ram percentile ram. If it is start with percentile is in front of, that is ends with, percentage is after, that is going to be something. Now you can see here we can have something percentile and percentile. Now you can see percentile and percentile. I'm taking rom. Then what is the meaning of it? We will get all the record whose name contains yes. I don't know where it is and all. Contains rom. So this is exactly, that may be in the middle, that may be in the end, that may be in the starting of it. So now this is how we can get all the, this is called the like operator will be implemented like this. Exactly, this is very important, guys. The like operator, be careful, right? Very, very important. Let me save these all the things in your working location. Select query is the mostly important question, guys. They will ask you most of the interview questions. Almost all questions will be on select statement only. Joins, select statement. If you are okay with them, that's enough, I believe. MySQL is all about select statement only. If you are okay with this, yeah, things will become easy for you also. Select statement, select statement.txt. Okay, right. Now you can go and check this. I'm writing this query s percentile. Now you can check this. So I'm going to SQL. You can execute where username like where name like s percentile. What is the meaning of it? Whose name starts with s? Let me check this. Oh, only one person whose name starts with s. Okay, now you can go with the same. Now I'm going to make it as a s. I'm making this as percentile s. Now you can check this. Whose name ends with no one is there. No one is there. Whose name ends with yes. I think you can check the table also. Is there any person whose name is ends with something? No, there is no person is there, right? Now you can see I'm going to take whose name contain. Let us go with the query. Now you can write this. If you can write percentile as percentile, then what is the meaning of it? Whose name contains yes. I don't know where the name is and all. Where the name is and all, you will get CNC. Test s is there, Srinu s is there. In this also we have something called yes. This like operator is mostly used in search operations, guys, in Google search. Now you can see you're in the Google, you're typing hi. Now you can see based on the suggestions we are getting automatically. Can you see the suggestions are coming? This is like operator, definitely. Hindi, I typed something. Now you can see Hindi to English, Hindi, Varnamala, something they are coming automatically. The suggestions are coming. So when we are keep pressing, the suggestions are getting automatically. So this is absolutely done by using like operator only in the databases. So Hindi, you press it, right? They will get all the records whose name starts with Hindi, whose article starts with Hindi, not a name. You can use name, you can use article, you can use city, and whatever it may be, they will get the data like this, guys. This is exactly the concept of like operator. Just you can see this like operator exactly. Okay, right. These are the three operators, guys, here: in operator, end operator, and between operator, and like operator are the operators where we can use them regularly in the real time. Okay, now right now you can see end we seen just now, end are right. So we can use all the operators. Just now we use end operator now. So you can see what is the operator earlier I written here, where salary between this is I written. You can write or operator also. We can write or we can write end operator also. Whatever you want, you can write them, guys. It's also valid here. Okay, right. All are done with by using where clause, right? Where clause only. Now you can see one more thing is going to be order by keyword. What's the next one? Order by keyword, KEYWORD. This is a keyword actually. Order by keyword. These are all the clauses. Clauses is a condition. Clause means condition. Condition with some operators in like operators are going to be added here. End operator, or operator, not operator, everything we can use. Here we are writing end, right? where salary between, and you can use or operator also, right? Okay. Or else I want to get all the people whose city is here. Now you can see I want to get, let us write one query, select star from employee where city, where city, tell me please here, where city equal to, we can write like this, where city equal to HYD Hyderabad, or city equal to, I won't write something like this, or we can write like this. Okay, let me check this. ISURAT Surat. I'm taking the query like this. Let me check this, the query. So what is going to be happen? Or else, okay, first run the query and let us see what is our result here. I don't know. Let me query this. Now you can see, yeah. Can you see I'm getting Hyderabad and Surat only. I'm not getting other city people. Exactly. R operator means, and means only. Matching should be there. So R means it could be anything, guys. All right. R means either one true, it will get the data. Right, it will get the data, all the records of Surat, all the records of Hyderabad only I want to get now. So I'm getting the same people here. Exactly, right. This is how we can use R operator. Right, now you can write this one more not operator also. We can write select star from employees, all employees. Now you can see employee where city not equal to Hyderabad. We can write like this. Then what is the meaning of it? Except Hyderabad, you will get all the people. Not exactly. We can write like this, or not also we can write where not, where city not, something like this also we can write where city not Hyderabad. So this is also valid. Now you can go and check this. Now you can see you will get all the people except Hyderabad. Now you can see where city not equal to Hyderabad. Go and you can see you are getting all the people in the list. There is no Hyderabad people. You are getting the remaining people you are going to get there. So this is how we can filter the data by using the select query. These are all and operator, not operator. Lot of things will be there. Best I can say, you can go to W3 schools or somewhere around for theoretical knowledge, but actually a theoretical knowledge doesn't help you. You have to practice the queries. They will ask you the query like this. I want to get all the people of Hyderabad. I want to get all the people of Hyderabad and Surat only. I want to get all the people except Hyderabad. I want to get all the people except Hyderabad. Except Hyderabad, I want to get all the people from the table. Means this is the query you have to write. They will ask you the question like this. To that question, we have to build the query. This is how the questions will be asked in MySQL interview, guys. Be careful. So MySQL is also important for us. So because it's all about database operations, right? Yeah, we should be good in this area, right? Next one is going to be order by keyword. What is the meaning of order by? I want to sort all the records in ascending order. Or I want to sort all the records in descending order. Two things are there, either ascending order, either descending order with the order by keyword. Order by ASC, order by DESC. Okay. Let us see. I'm writing a query. Select sort from employee. Employee means, okay, we will get all the records actually. But I want to get all the records order by name, alphabetical order. Now you can see, now you can execute this query up to here. If you can execute this query up to here, you can execute the queries in the command line also, guys. If you know command line, cd cd space XAMPP, cd space MySQL, cd space bin. Here we have a file mysql.exe minus u root connected. Yeah, connected. Use 8 PM July, JULY, July is the database. Yeah, semicolon. Oh, user use kada use 8 PM JULY, July. Right now, then database is changed. Now you can see the same query we can write here also. Whatever the query you have there, select sort from employee, hit enter, you will get all the records. You want to write order by keyword. Now I want to get all the usernames. Can you see? This is the order you are getting, insertion order. Actually, in what way you inserted, in that way you are getting. No, I want to get all the names in alphabetical order, A, B, C, D, something like this, names only. Or else you want to sort the records based on the city. Yeah, you can make like this also. Now you can see, I want to sort all the records based on the salary, based on the name, whatever you want, right? So you can see, select sort from employee. Order by is a keyword. You can write in small letters also, no problem. Order by salary. Column name. On what basis you want to sort the columns? Order by salary. ASC, ascending order, means that highest to lowest or lowest to highest. What is the meaning of ascending, guys? Ascending means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Na? So now you can see. Now I'm going to execute this query on command prompt or in the same. Now you can see. Now you are going to get the salary. You can see the salary column. Can you see salary column? You are getting based on it. What is the salary column you are getting? Is it sorted? I don't think so. It is sorted or not? No, it is not sorted, man. What I am getting here, my query is it sorted? No, right? So what is the problem with my query? Select star from employee, order by salary, ASC or DESC. Okay, let me check this DESC. I don't know what is wrong here. Why this is not sorting the records? No. You can check this now. Is it DESC? It is DESC, no? 70. Oh, it is giving you something wrong, guys. Actually, based on the numbers, all sevens are coming. After that, all fives are coming. After that, all threes are coming. After that, twos are coming. After that, ones are coming. Actually, maybe it may not works on the numbers. I believe you can check on the names. I believe it will works for you properly. Right? You can see order by name DESC. Now you can see it will works for you. Now I'm just going to check it. Now you can go and add this. Now you can see if you can hit enter. Now you can see based on the name DESC, W of the test, of the S, of the R, G and A. You want to get ASC, simply you can add the word called ASC. If you can hit enter, you will get the ascending order. Now you can see the order is ascending. You want to sort based on the city. Now you can write the query here. So what is the query you want to execute here? Just you can go there. Now I'm going to execute this order by city ASC, ascending order city. Now you can hit enter. City order you can check Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Jaipur, and Lucknow, Mumbai, Noida, Patna, Surat, something like this, alphabetical order. If you want to sort them either in descending order, either in ascending order, right? Whatever it may be. So name ASC, name DESC, right? You can take anything, guys. Name ESC, name DESC. Okay, this is order by. So there is one more thing called limit query, limit statement. Limit is a statement, guys. Order by is a keyword. Now you can see limit statement, STATEMENT. We can limit the records. Generally, what happen if you can write select star from table name, you will get all the records, right? You will get all the records, right? Okay, you will get all the records. But my question, how can we limit the records? I don't want all the records. I want to get the first 10 records only. I want to get the next 10 records. I want to get the next 10 records like this. Step by step, I want to get all the records. So this is generally called pagination. What is the meaning of pagination? You are in the Google search, right? You went for Hindi. Now you can see a lot of records are there. Now I'm bit going bottom. What is this is called pagination? You can click on the next record. Now you can see this is called pagination. They're displaying per page 20 results. They're not displaying all the results at a time. Can you see? It's all about almost all 1.4 core of records are there, but it is showing all the records at a time. No, it is showing just 20 records per page. So in this point of time, limit is the statement will play a key role to get the pagination, to work with the such a kind of functionality, pagination, guys, for page 10 records only. If you can click the next button, next 10 records. If you can click the next 10 records, I want to get the next 10 records, something like this, guys. Exactly. So this is what exactly we are going to do. Okay, you can do one thing. So here I am writing select star from table name. What is the table name? Employee. So we know that up to here we will get all the records. So if you can write limit 5, then what is going to be happening? No, first 5 records only you will get. You cannot get all the records. Now you can see. Now I'm going to execute the same query here. You are not going to get all the records. You are going to get limit 5. Exactly. You can see first 5 records only you are getting. Now you can see I am writing here one more. Now you can check this. Now I'm writing 1,4. What is the meaning of 1,4? Limit 1,4 also we can write. Now you can see exactly, except 1 you are getting the 4 records. Except 1 you are getting the 4 records. From 1th record to 4 records. 1 record you cannot get it, but you will get the record like this, guys. Exactly. So you know SUB str substring, something we usually there, right? So exactly this is limit 1,2. Okay, now this is the limit statement, guys. We can add two positions only. This is the starting and this is the ending. Up to there you will get, this is actually, the second one is the number of records you want, and this is the position from where you want to get it. After from 1 I want to get 4 records. Now you can see, now if you can write 1 comma 10, then what is going to be happen here? Now you can write this 1 comma 10, 1 except 1 you will get 10 records if you have. Now you can see I'm getting all the records. If you can, okay, now I'm writing 1 comma 100. Do you have 100 records in the table? Actually I don't have 100 records in the table. Now you can see how many records you have, that many you will get. Now you can see I'm getting 11 records because I have 11 only. I'm getting the 11 records. Even though you can write 100, if you have 100 you will get it. I don't have 100, right? That's why you're getting the thing like this exactly. Okay, now right. So this is limit query, right? So we can write the limit statement like this also, guys. This is also valid. So limit, we can write like this and we can write like this also. What is the meaning of it? This query, we can get 1 to 100 records. From first record to 100 records, guys, we can get. We can get, how can we write here? 1 to 100 from position 1, from position we can get. I want to build a message properly. We can get all the records, from the position 1 to 100. Okay, except first record, except except first record. You cannot get the except first record from the, I mean it will give you the data 2 to 100 exactly. 100 records you will get it, guys, exactly. Right. What is the meaning of it? We can get first 5 records only. We can get first 5 records only. We cannot get all the records. If you want, write it. Okay, now one question. I want to get highest salary employee from the table. I want to get all the details of the highest salary employee from the table. Anybody, can you tell me the query? This is one of the common question where people will ask us in interview. How can we get an employee who is taking, I want to get all the information of an employee who is taking the max salary, who is taking the min salary. I want to get something like this, guys. So who can write this? Okay, you are saying that max is a method actually. You know, guys, here we have select, select, select 2 into 2. What is going to happen if you can write 2 into 2? You will get 4. You can see the result. We can write mathematical calculations also here, but everything you have to write select. I'm writing, so select, I'm writing some price. Now you can see I'm writing some price divided by into 100 divided by okay, not, it is actually percentage, 56 percentage divided by 100. Now divided by 100 in a, yeah, 100 I'm taking. Now you can see semicolon, you will get the percentage. What is the percentage you are getting? Something like this, 799% you are getting, something like. We can do all calculation using select statement. Now you can see I'm writing select. You guys are saying that max, there are some mathematical functions, max SALARY, salary from employee. Now you can see you will get the max salary employee. What is the max salary employee? 75,000. You are getting max salary. If you want to get min salary, yeah, you can, in place of it, just you can write min, you can hit enter. Now you are getting the min salary 12,000. You are getting something. Okay, this is good. But I am asking you, I want to get the employee details. Who is taking max salary? That employee details I want to get. I don't want to see the maximum salary. I want to see the maximum salary and that employee information also. This is the question. So anybody, please, how can we write this exactly? So now we can see the query will be like this. Don't get confused here. So now you are writing select star from table name. What is your table name? Employee. Generally, what will be happen? You look at all the employees where salary equal to max salary. You can write the query like this: select max SALARY salary from employee. You have to write the query like this, man. This is called subquery. query, it is subquery as a parameter. Now what this is going to give you, this is going to give you max salary 75,000. Then what it is going to be happen, select star from table and where salary equal to 75,000, the query will be executed like this. Now you can go and check this, is there any spell mistake, we will check this. Now you can enter the query here, now you can hit it, now you can see what are you getting there. You are getting max salary employee details. If you want to get the min salary, simple same story. This is one of the thing which will people will ask us mostly. Now you can see min salary employee, right? So now we can write other way also. This is one way na, this is one way of getting max salary and min salary. Can you tell me any other way? So I written one way, can you tell me some other way? How can we write the some other ways? Max salary employee, how can we get it? Can you please tell me? Now I'm writing here. Now you can see this is the one more way. Select star from employee where, not where actually, where is not required. Order by, try to see order by salary, order by salary, limit 1. I'm writing limit 1 guys. Order by salary ASC na DESC na DESC. DESC limit 1 means you will get the high salary employee, I believe. Let me execute the same query. Are you getting high salary employee? 75,000 you are getting. Now you can see, if you want to get the min salary employee in this point of time, you can write ASC, ASC limit 1. Let me go and execute the same query in the command also. Now you can see in place of it, I'm going to take ASC limit 1. Now you can see 12,000 you are getting. The same result you got on the above also, the same result we are getting here also guys, exactly. But we can write like this. This is also a valid solution. Order by limit 1 na. Limit 1, order by ASC. Limit 1 means only one record you will get. Limit 1 means, so we can write, that's why I written this also. Some people will write the query like this, some people will write the query like this also. This is called subquery, this is called regular query. So we don't have any difference here, right? Exactly guys. Some of the things you should remember, because people will ask us in interviews. So at that time you have to remember all these things and you have to tell to in interview guys, right? Okay. So these are the some insert queries, right? These are the queries which you need to remember forever guys here. Always you can check this. They're very, very important for us in interviews also. They will ask us regular questions in interview. And these are the min, max, all the mathematical functions guys. All the mathematical functions we can use directly here. If you want, you can write select. There is a function called round function actually. Round is a function. If you can write 10 comma 25, if you can write 10 comma 25, what it is going to be round, it is going to be rounded this to 10 only. Now you can see 10. You know, in JavaScript or anywhere you have round function, you have ceil function, you have floor function. So you have, these are all the mathematical functions. Sine 30, sine, sin, sine function, cos function, cosecant function, all will be there. Tan function, we can provide some values. So select san, you can execute the same in PHP also. Those functions we can execute in. Now you can see, now I'm just going to write PHP. The same functions, whatever the functions you written, you can execute here also. Now you can see I'm writing test.php. So now you can just go to your location and save the file. Now you can see, yeah. So here you can write echo round. Round is a function. The same round function I'm writing 10.25. You can see the same executed in the SQL command prompt, right? You can execute here also. It will also give you the same output. Nothing difference is there. Now you can see localhost 8 p.m. July, 8 p.m. July / test.php. Execute it. You can see you're getting 10. The same I'm getting in the command prompt also. These are all the mathematical functions we can use as it is. Just you can check them. I think mathematical functions are available in every programming language. So this is not only in our PHP, not only in some other, right? So, right, exactly. This is what guys, we can use the select queries and all. So you can, okay, let me see. Is there any MySQL material for you? MySQL. Okay. MySQL.com. Don't go here. You cannot understand their language and all. Wikipedia. Oh, W3 Schools is providing MySQL. You can go here. It's an easy to learn, right? Just you can watch the theoretical knowledge if you want. Actually, if you can remember theory, it cannot help you, man. Remember carefully. It doesn't help you if you can learn something theoretically. Always you have to learn something practically. Okay, now. So the queries will be like this always. They will never ask you a direct question. They will ask you the question like this. I want to get the people of this city only. I want to get all the employees whose salary between 10,000 and 20,000 only. Questions will be like this. I want to get high salary employee. I want to get low salary employee. So the questions will be like this. So you have to prepare the questions as per that, guys. Okay. Right. So what else we need? I think these are all the things, guys, here. Right. Just check this. And on Monday session, we will discuss joins and time permit stored procedures also. Tomorrow, no class, guys, here. Next session is on Monday. Right. Any other questions you have, let me know, please.